Do you want to learn how to create these toys or action figure based version of yourself that is right now going viral across social media? It is really simple to do, and it only takes one simple prompt and a photo of yourself, and you can actually do it right now for free using only ChatGPT. I'll also teach you how to improve the image if you're not satisfied with it, so let's get started. So what you need to go to chatgpt.com and paste in this prompt that is going to be also linked down in the description. As you can see, draw a picture of me as a real life action figure based on the photo. Be specific as possible based on what you know about me, and put multiple interesting things that represent who I am inside the packaging, such as a robot or Japan. So this parentheses you can actually change what to your interest, and then on top of the box write your name, and as well underneath it write something interesting or cool that's based on your title. What I need to do right now is just go to these three dots here, click on it and click on create image, and then also upload your own image so that you can create the action figure of yourself. Otherwise if you don't upload an image, it will be just based on what they know about you, and in this case I pasted it without creating an image. It gives me as a black version of myself and a few other things. So that's that. So it's better if you put a profile picture on it, upload it, and it will take around 4 to 5 minutes to generate your photo, since it's going to generate it from scratch. And right now ChatGPT allows anyone to generate images for free, but for just only a few times per day. And then once you use the limit, you need to wait for another day. And once you finish that limit, you need to wait another day to generate images again, unless you have the Plus plan, which costs around $20 US. So as you can see, it's starting to generate my photos. So if you don't put a photo for ChatGPT, it will create an action figure of what it thinks you look like. So it is based on your previous chats with ChatGPT, and if you save it in the memory, they will just use that as a base for your photo. And as you can see, my base of the photo is a programmer, a black man, and as you can see the base for my photo is a black man, and as well as some rockets and I guess coding, since I asked coding questions as well. So yeah, so this is a more detailed prompt. After a few minutes, it will generate a photo like this based on the prompt. As you can see, I look really old here. As you can see, I have a beard. I look like I'm in my 30s though. But yeah, there's a robot which is a mecha and Japan, but I'm not entirely satisfied of this outcome, so I just want to change it a bit. So in the second try, I removed some details about my interests and also uploaded a new image. Okay, so after like 4 minutes, it generates this, which to be honest is not too bad. I think it's based on the car and the figures here. I see, because in my room there's a Porsche, that's why it puts a Porsche car as well. Oh, that's where it came from. Okay, first of all, I want to zoom out the action. And then I do not like these spare hands that I have, so I want to change it to other things. So let's see if we can circle it here, and then let's just upload this. So it's a lot of trial and error, comes up with what you want, but the beauty of it is also the randomness of what it generates. So you can specify as much details as you want, but it's no fun to see what the AI thinks about you. This is like one of the fun parts of it. Alright, so this is the outcome. So it already zooms out, which is what we want. We can see the full Zeroverse word, and then you can see the entire box. And it also added a few mini robots to the packaging, which is what we wanted. However, it didn't remove the hands. So if you say remove the hands and replace it, it will replace the hand figures. So yeah, it's alright. But so yeah, right now for my free version, I'm already out of credits. I can only generate 4 images in one day, and then I need to wait for the next day to create an image or even edit my image. So yeah, since I only have the free version, this is all I can do for today. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you want more practical ways to use AI to boost your productivity and save time, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. So yeah, have fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.